Welcome to another episode of Saturn's Garage, and today I will be cleaning my new toolbox on wheels. So the first thing I'll be doing to my toolbox on wheels is that I'll be taking everything out of it. So, yeah. So I've taken everything out of it, and now I'm going to go see what cleaning supplies we have in the garage. I am in. I have found some cleaner, and I'm going to start cleaning this thing. Once I get some paper towel. Got done with the inside of my toolbox, and now onto the outside of it. This is where at the point of the video where I'm just sitting there wondering what the noise is, which is my sister's car running, so that's why I'm sitting there looking all stupid and stuff. You did? I was vacuuming. You wanna be introducing my video? You wanna be introducing my video? Yeah, I'm gonna talk about it. Guys, if you don't know, this is my sister. She just got home from doing concession. And she wants me to show you her doing her car. Her very beautiful 2005 Buick Park Avenue. Sure, I can take some popcorn. Park-corn? I don't think that's the thing. You trucker. What's it? Carly! Stop. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the magnificent 2005 Buick Park Avenue. She's a great runner. And she's a really great, reliable vehicle.
Did I like my honks? Are you gonna edit that out?
And this car does need a bath, really bad.
It does, but it's cold still, so.
Like our new toolbox. Yeah. Toolbox on wheels. I'm cleaning it. So.
I hope our boys can pull off this extra lift here.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Close the door, please.
You have 2 legs. Get over there.
Oh. Well, goodbye, Carly.
I'm gonna dig you a grave. Actually, edit that out. When you edit that out.
No. I was trying to figure out where that one was. I think it's
somewhere. You just
muffled out. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Anyways, guys, back to the time lapse of me cleaning my toolbox on wheels. guys, if you don't know, I really don't like spiders. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Okay, I have just finished outside of the toolbox, and now I gotta see if these inside pieces need to be cleaned up. Yeah, they do. Yeah, kind of. I'm gonna see what I can do with these pieces. The lid really needs cleaning. Like, ew. Not cleaning. So, I'm gonna get the Mr. Sucker out and and I'm gonna be cleaning this. Vacuuming and then cleaning. Because I don't want to touch any of this. Okay, I am done cleaning the lid, all the pieces and everything, and now it's time to put everything back together and then put my cool stickers on there and put my birthday gifts in there, which are tools. And yeah, let's do this. I just got the lid and all the extra pieces assembled. Now it's time to put my wrenches and my socket and ratchet set in there. Okay, now on to the stickers, which I think that they're pretty cool. First sticker that I'll be putting on is the Junker Dig sticker that I got from junkerdigs.com. Kemper Junker Digs, he's the main reason why I'm doing YouTube and main reason why I'm doing car stuff and cleaning and stuff. Go check out his channel, it's pretty cool. Also Pool Barn Garage and Vice Grip Garage. They're the main reason why I'm doing YouTube. So, this one's gonna go on top of my toolbox. Where did I put it? Oh, God. Struggle. And also go check out Speed Bump Garage and Sleeper Dude. All those channels are the main reason why I'm doing YouTube and doing car stuff. They're in the channel, of course, there's going to be old cars instead of newer cars. But for now, I'm going to be doing newer cars. So, this is so unreal, I can't. This is funny. This is actually not funny. This is funny. If you do want to become a YouTuber, it's quite easy. It's just, you gotta produce content. Like, next week you produce content, and then after that week you produce another video. Or if you're gonna do monthly content, then you gotta do like behind the scenes, shenanigan videos, or just that type of videos. And this sticker really don't like me. Why does he do it so fast? Kevin's like the miracle of God. Like, he does it so fast in the video. It's unreal. Really unreal. How does he do it? How did I do it the first time, anyways? Gosh darn it. There's a sticker going on right now. First sticker. Next sticker. I can't even show the next three, I don't think. But it's my second sticker that's going to be on there. Just say no to the crack. You got to. These are fun. Because I've been waiting to put these stickers on the toolbox for a long time. Quite some time. I kinda had to make a relief cut in that sticker, but you can still see that it says just say no. You still see the say. The next sticker says, even duct tape can't fix stupidity, which is highly true. It is highly true. But duct tape cannot even fix stupidity. Woo! My, I think, fourth sticker says, I may be fat, but you're ugly and I can't diet. By far one of my favorite ones. But my father, on his rolling toolbox over there, he has quite bad ones. He has really bad bumper stickers. They're hilarious, but I cannot show on this channel. I will not show on this channel. That's how bad they are. it all. It's all of them. Besides this one. This one shows a straight old gummy bear sticker. I'm just putting all the stickers that I have onto here. Because, might as well. I have a lot more of these, so. And there will be decals on this toolbox that I will make my own self. I will draw them onto here. I will draw the YouTube's name onto here and everything. And, yeah. Well, that is my toolbox. My basically brand new toolbox that I got for free from my grandparents. Thanks for watching this video and everything. My sister came in and everything because she had to go to something. That's Carly. She's great. She's awesome. She's a great sister. She's great at everything. She does volleyball for her team and stuff. She's good at that. But, yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great night or day whenever you're watching this video. And thanks for everybody watching this video. Whoever subscribed and whoever watches it. Well, good night. Goodbye. I'm gonna go in and have some pigs in a blanket with mac and cheese. Goodbye.